right, guys, now we're going to be talking about XRP for Ripple. Okay, I will write it out in a little bit, but as you guys know, Ripple has been in a little range that we do want to be watching out for, right? So I would say it's kind of two ranges. So one range right there, and then also a lower range down here. So I really call this about two segments that XRP is kind of trading in. Now, could also be a trade. So whenever it comes back down in the lower second half, you could literally buy and then trade it back up into that second half on the upper side. And that's like 4% profit. But you see, that's why I'm not doing it. It does not present a lot of profit. Even if it went up to the highest, only about 8%. That's not enough profit to play it, but that's just something that I'm seeing, right? So I divided it up into two segments on XRP. Okay, so if you want to do that in your charts, you can. Again, I'm financial advice and letting you guys know what I'm seeing and what I'm looking at. So that's the first thing that I want to show you guys on XRP. Also, we need to go over the SEC versus XRP lawsuit. Okay, we're going to go over the 1, 2, and we're going to go over the main topic on that. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at will.knowledge. Let's get my Instagram over 1,000 followers. Let's get this running up. So smash the like button, subscribe if you are new. Make sure, comment any other cryptos you guys are looking at in the comment section down below so I can check them out and then post those other videos for you guys. So before we get on the charts, let's go ahead and read this, the SEC versus Ripple. The SEC v. Ripple lawsuit has been ongoing since December 2020 and could make or break XRP price. Since we're exploring the worst case scenario, let's assume that the SEC wins the battle, which will make XRP a security token and not a commodity. We want it to be a commodity. This situation could cause crypto exchanges to delist it, which would be horrible, and panic investors into selling their holdings. Such a development would surely disregard the technical support levels and could potentially crash XRP price way lower. This is a big thing weighing on XRP right now that we want to be watching out for. The second reason is the way the central banks are ramping up the interest rates to counter the effects of inflation. This move has alarmed many investors and economics who have voiced their concerns that a continuation of this move from the central bank could trigger a recession. I believe we are already in a recession, and we're going to see that once the next GDP comes out negative. That will kind of confirm that we're in a recession, but I think we already are in a recession. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, okay? 2, assuming a full-blown recession hits the U.S., it is likely the effects will follow to Europe and the rest of the world, which could trigger a selling frenzy in traditional markets and any risk-on assets, including cryptocurrencies. Such a development could also trigger a massive crash in the crypto markets, which could potentially crash XRP much lower than the POC at 18 cents. Okay, so that's just one I want to go over a little bit. Now let's go to the analysts. So remember, I had two segments right here on XRP. I'll go ahead and write it out also, just in case. Let's write it out. So XRP right here for Ripple. There you go. That's what we're talking about right now. So like I said, XRP had two segments. We have the upper segment, and then we have that lower segment. If you want to have it, lower segment is about 30 cents 65 to about 31.52, and the upper segment is about 32 cents 34 to about 33.38. Okay, so we have two segments that I was looking at. So let me go ahead and take those off. Now I want to give you guys some levels. Now remember, it's traded in these segments, so we don't want to try to go heavy or anything like that in these segments because we're not seeing any type of movement, right? We're not seeing movement, and that's why you also don't want to chase price because right when it went up, it just came right back down, right? So I'm pretty sure a lot of people were buying in this, a lot of people were buying in that, and now they're holding that bag. So we don't want to be holding any bags on XRP. Also, it's trading in a bigger range, right? You want to know where price is so you're not caught in these movements and your money is just stalled out, not making any profit. So it's caught in a bigger range also. So until it breaks out of these ranges, we have to be cautious on it. So levels that I'm looking out for, let's go ahead and put these levels on here. First level right here. Okay, so first level we have on here is actually all the way up here. It's a resistance level at about 32 cents 65 66. 32 cents 65, we can say. Now support level on the downside is right around 31 cents 08 to 31 cents 10. That's the support level on the downside. So that's the two levels that I'm watching out for right now. I mean, until it breaks out of one of these levels, you really can't trade it because it doesn't have any clear direction, right? It came out a little bit. You could tell it just bounces all through here, through here, through here. So it came out a little bit, but came right back down to it, right? Tries to peak below it a little bit, but comes right back into it. You also want to be mindful. Price has not really moved since June 2nd, so it's about to be a full month of XRP not really moving out of this 30 cents range, right? So we don't want to get caught in this. When we buy it, we want to be sure that it's going to be going up to higher prices, to the 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, and upwards to $1. But for right now, we cannot trade XRP until these levels break. So make sure you watch these levels. Any updates, I'll update you guys, of course. Thank you guys for being here. Smash the like button and subscribe. More videos to come. Follow me on Instagram. And always remember, no recommendation to buy or sell anything. That's for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. I will catch you guys in that next one.